Alright, today opening 2 Japanese packs and 2 packs of Pitch Black. And I actually got pretty lucky with the Pitch Black packs. Had them at Target, but had to ask for them at like the desk. But we got them. And hopefully we'll get something good, because haven't been pulling much lately. But, you know, ooh, I don't have sleeves or top letters. It's fine. And, you know, I like the new code cards for Pitch Black. They're really cool. Different Pokemon on each one. Yeah, it's pretty neat. We got a Ivysaur. But, yeah, hoping for something good. Let's see. Bombardier. Nickit. Shuppet, Brian, Delmise, Gwyn, Slowbro, Zarude, Shadowy Energy, and an EX. Although I do think I have this one, but you can always go into like a trade binder. Alright, there is no sleeves near me. Okay, guess I'll have to find sleeves after the video. Alright, next Pitch Black. Oh, spell. That would not have been good. Okay, I gotta stop doing that. Anyway. Hopefully soon I can move this 3D printer and get a little bit more room on my desk. Hoping for a PC to go there, but still looking for a PC. Alright, basic grass energy. Cranidos, Volivy, Litwick, Goldeen, Bronzong, Gladian's Final Battle, Sinistra, Garober, Toucannon. I like Toucannon. Oh my god, blinded. And a Rambardos EX. 2 EXs, not bad. But still got 2 more Japanese packs. And, you know, I've heard Japanese has better pull rates. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but hope it is. Yeah, I don't really know what's in the Japanese sets either. I don't even know what's in the English sets anymore. They released like 5 sets at the same time. No idea what's in them anymore. But I still do my master sets. Well, try to do my master sets. And, it doesn't go great, but... Oh, that looks so cool. Is this good? I hope not. I don't. Okay. I really need sleeves. Oh, please don't say this is expensive. Okay. That's a really cool card, though. Whoa. Right, let's get in the light. Okay, not too much light, apparently. That is a very cool card. Okay. 3 hits, 3 packs. That's really good, actually. One more pack, though. This is, I think I've opened this one before, actually. This one's actually Chinese, I believe. I don't believe this is in, Japanese. Oh, okay. There we go. And just like Japanese, okay, yeah, these are definitely Chinese. I have a couple of these, actually. And a V. It's pretty cool. I do love these cards. These cool hollows. Look at that. You know, for 4 packs, I'd say this is pretty good. I mean, this card is beautiful. It's 2 EXs, not bad for a master set, you know. And then, I'm just gonna go with my other Chinese cards. Yeah, I'll go for this opening.